With sterling CAD, the first notable thing is that we're on the backside of this bullish trend. So this is a broken down market. We've got a change of character. The market was moving up and we consolidated sideways, sliding out of the bullish trend, and we broke these lows. You've got the low, the high, the low, the high, and we broke this structure here. So we moved up, we moved down, we moved up, we got a higher low, but we failed to make a higher high and we broke these lows. So to me, that's significant. And we're going to give that a broken down market thesis. So now we've got these equal highs thereabouts. Let's have a look. So that resistance currently. And in fact, what happened was we had these equal highs. So between here and here, if I can, yeah, let's just leave that there. So between here, over here, and over here, we had these equal highs that were put in. So this was a consolidation. Well, let's just even go back. Let's rewind. So this was consolidating. This was creating liquidity either side of the range. So you've got stops above, stops below. At the time that was supportive. Until we broke to the downside, picking up liquidity on the downside, which was in here. We filled up the imbalance that was left behind in here. So in that move to the downside, there's liquidity being created and there was liquidity from the move up. So that was cleared out to some extent. I can't recall if any more was cleared out. And then we moved up into liquidity on this side. So these equal highs were violated with that move up. And we've subsequently started to move back down. So the market is balancing itself out. And we've now got a scenario where we have shorts in the market. So a long squeeze could be on the cards. We've come into this area of support and we've got this M formation that's been left behind. So we could see a move back up into this candle that might be expected to act as resistance once penetrating into here. And what we can do is we can bring up our Fibonacci's to see if we can find a confluence within that. So the 61.8 has a confluence with the open and close of that candle at 168.86. In fact, we could probably go a little bit higher to take out the stops above that high, daily high. And from there on, if this all holds a structure, resistance structure, then we could be in a scenario of moving lower in line with the lower lows that have been created, lower highs that have been created over time, over the next coming days, for a move in to clear up the imbalance that's been left behind here as a downside target area. Okay, so I hope that will give you some stuff up on sterling CAD.